Hello my friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is essay on solution to plastic pollution in 300 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Solution to plastic pollution. Introduction. Plastic pollution is one of the world's most serious environmental challenges. Plastic production and consumption growth has caused widespread contamination of oceans, rivers and land. Plastic pollution is having a bad effect on human health. Although many solutions have been proposed and implemented to combat plastic pollution, which can reduce the harmful effects of plastic pollution. Ways to reduce plastic pollution. Some ways to reduce plastic pollution are as follows. First, reduction of single-use plastics. One of the most effective ways to combat plastic pollution is to reduce the consumption of single-use plastics. Government should ban plastic bags, straw, and other disposal items. Second, recycling and waste management. Improving recycling and waste management system is essential to prevent plastic from entering the environment. This can significantly reduce the demand for plastic production. Third, innovation in packaging. Packaging is a part of plastic waste. Government should find another alternative to plastic for packaging. Paper packaging can reduce the production of plastic. Fourth, education and awareness. It is essential to raise awareness about the environmental impact from plastic pollution. Schools, universities, and community organizations should include environmental education in their curriculum. People should be made aware about waste management, recycling, and ways to reduce plastic consumption. Fifth, international cooperation and policy. Plastic pollution has no boundaries. Global cooperation is needed to effectively address the issue. International agreements and policies can play an important role in reducing plastic production, improving waste management, and reducing plastic leakage into the environment. Sixth, research and supporting innovation. Invest in research and innovation is vital to develop innovative technologies and material that can replace plastics or provide more sustainable alternatives. Conclusion. Plastic pollution is a major threat to the environment and human welfare. Reducing single-use plastics, improving recycling and waste management, fostering innovation in packaging, increasing education and awareness, promoting international cooperation and supporting research and innovation are all critical components of a comprehensive strategy. It is imperative that we work together to combat plastic pollution and build a sustainable future. So friends, after watching this video, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.